Hello, we're going to be seeing a very unique property. It's a more modern property, incredible view of the mountains. Pino is the owner of the property, so he's going to be here with us today showing us his home, which, as I've pointed out before, is not unusual that you would have the owner at the property when you're viewing. So just be aware. And okay, ready for the tour. And of course,
Bene.
Federico, my partner in crime.
Okay.
This is the cucina, very cute, very blue. I always like to look around. A little bit of peely here, not bad though. Interesting view outside the kitchen window. E questa...
Sempre giardino di proprietà.
Oh, so it's just the garden. That's horrifying. Okay, lovely. And then we have the dining room is on the other side of the kitchen. It is a spectacular view. Might want to get that out the window. Try to avoid the electrical wires if you can. And the satellite dish. Is that the family?
Oh, wow, bellissime queste foto.
Yeah, that's really something. Okay. And then let's
Andiamo di
continue.
sopra.
See, absolutely. Lead the way. Here we go. Oh, and then there's a nice big bathroom. It's big. Just another really great view. Okay. So it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Got it.
Yes.
Okay. For the most part in Italy, if you're going to be buying a house, they will have these armoires. The idea of a walk-in closet or a built-in closet is unusual. You will have a hard time finding that unless someone has renovated the house and put in the closet. Usually you can negotiate some furniture in, and I always like to negotiate the armoires in because they're very heavy and big and hard to get into the house. And so if they have armoires that you like or can live with or can refurbish or whatever, I mean, to me, if you didn't like this, but it has all the functioning parts, you could just, you know, change the hardware or change the panels, and you know, it just saves a lot of energy, time, and money. That's it. I have nothing to say about this house. So here's the deal. This is a very nice house. It's finished, move-in ready. You wouldn't have to do a thing to it. You could just move right in. So that's the upside. You are living in a borgo here, so you're living in a village here. If that appeals to you, that's great. If you're a social person, that's fun. It certainly is. And it does have a beautiful little front garden. It has this lovely terrace here. It does have this beautiful view. And unfortunately in Italy, all of the wires are exposed. And we have this at our house as well. So if this is something that you're okay with, looking at electrical wires when you're looking at the most gorgeous view in the world, I mean, this view is unbelievable. I mean, it is spectacular. I mean, is it worth it for the view? Sure. Is it a small house? Yeah, it's probably perfect for someone that wants 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. There's a laundry room. You could probably convert that into another bathroom so you'd have 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Yeah, I mean, is it worth a look at? Sure. Is it something I would go bananas over? No, but that, you know, I'm not everybody.
Allora, qui c'è Cantina.
Oh, okay, that's so cute. So there's the Cantina there, which is great storage. And I love that he has the outdoor sink so he can take care of his garden. You know, it's great for painting. It's very good.
Qui ideale per fare barbecue.
Yeah, this is really cute.
Relax.
And yeah, I mean, this view, I mean, I would just put my chair here and look here and that's it. Basta. Sedia. Just look at the chair.
Fantastico, ci si abbronza.
It's amazing. Yeah, it's quite beautiful.
E poi si scende, c'è il garage o la cantina. Qui sotto c'è un'altra terrazza.
Wow, that's cool. And the garage is underneath here. Oh, cool. Okay. This view is great too with the horses. That is so cute. Anyway, this is a very nice, very typically Italian home. Well taken care of. It's very well manicured. The layout's easy. There's tons of storage. There's a garage, which is so cool. 10-minute walk into the middle of the most adorable little town. And also when you walk into Equi Terme, this town that you see, they have caving there. They have hiking there. There's lots of activities to do. So if you came here as a vacation home, there's lots of fun things to do with your friends. They also have some really good restaurants in Equi Terme, really delicious restaurants. So we could definitely, you know, use those. And yeah, you could just walk in for lunch, have lunch there, do a little hike, have a little lunch, walk back. Yeah, so I think Pino has done a good job with his home. It's quite lovely. Yeah, definitely. So if this is for you, remember to contact Federico. His link is below. Thank you for showing us this, Federico, this little treasure. And if you've gotten this far, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Welcome to Italy. Peace.
Do you have a thumbs rating?
Oh, thumbs rating. Oh, yeah. I would give it 2 thumbs up. Not 4, 2.
2.